Fins and Things is located in the Sand Flats recreational area just outside of Moab, Utah. This trail has a little bit of everything. Like the name suggests, Fins and Things, it's got rocks, sand, fins, ledges, and steep grades. I'm about to get roasted by my daughter.
Hurry up, Bronco. You're wasting my time.
Hey Chloe, what'd you think of that obstacle?
What?
What did you think of that obstacle?
Nothing.
Nothing. Oh my gosh. Okay.
I thought too easy.
Too easy. Okay. We'll find something harder, okay? Call this rock formation the nostrils. It kind of looks like it. One of the nice things about Fins and Things is that you are not obligated by any means to complete the whole trail. If you decide you've had enough or you want to quit early, you can do that. There are all kinds of bypasses and roads that you can take that will route you back to the main road. For instance, we got hungry and the kids wanted to swim. So we opted to take a bypass and leave the trail early. We ate some lunch, aired up our tires, and we hit the pool.